Okay guys, today I am going to show you actually how to work with printed heat transfer vinyl. There's two big differences with printed heat transfer vinyl compared to regular such as Caesar Easy Weed heat transfer vinyl. The main big difference is you do not mirror your image. You put it in your cutter, image side facing up, but you do not mirror. The other difference is you will need a heat transfer mask to actually lift this and put it onto your shirt. Some suppliers provide the heat transfer mask and some suppliers don't. So when you're ordering heat transfer vinyl that is printed, you want to double check and make sure it either comes with a mask or you already have some. You can use an old piece of heat transfer mask from regular heat transfer vinyl, but you cannot use regular transfer tape for adhesive vinyl. It has to be heat resistant heat transfer mask. So this is our decal that we're going to be putting on a shirt. We've already cut it, we've already weeded it, and again you'll notice that it's not mirrored as most heat transfer is because this is printed. You do not mirror. Okay, and then the next step, what we're going to do, this is probably the trickiest part of the whole thing of working with the printed vinyl, is applying this mask and getting the design to lift. Okay, so you just remove the backing, lay this mask on top, take your squeegee, and you want to just burnish it really well. You need to use a good bit of pressure. You want to make sure it's sticking, and this is probably the most important part. If you just try to pull this top part, it's going to be really difficult to get it to stick to your transfer tape. So what you want to do is lay it face down, and you're just going to gently roll this backing paper off. Okay, so now this probably looks more familiar. It's like regular heat transfer vinyl. This you just will lay onto your shirt, heat press, and remove. And we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're at our press, we're going to actually go ahead and apply our printed heat transfer vinyl. We've already weeded it and masked it. Okay, and this we're just going to do as a front left chest pocket area. So we're going to put that where it goes. We've already pre-pressed our shirt. We pre-press it for 5 seconds. And your press should be set at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. If your press is set at Celsius, you definitely want to check that and make sure you have the right temperature. So 305 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to press it for 15 seconds. Okay, and you can peel this warm. All right, and now we have our shirt with printed heat transfer vinyl. And also, again, with printed heat transfer vinyl, it's a lot like regular heat transfer vinyl. To know if you got a good press, just look at it close. If you can see the fibers of your shirt in the vinyl, you're good. If it's still very smooth, you want to make sure you check your pressure, check your temperature, and get it firm and hard enough to make sure you can see your fibers in your shirt. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.